Director General Lasso, 146.2 million worth of shabu was seized in Zamboanga City. Totoo po ito, Director General? Totoo po ito, yes or no? Pinag-usapan po natin ang droga dito. Mas importante po itong problema ng droga sa ngayon. Since we are talking about operations of PDEA against illegal drugs, may I just also ask Mr. Chair, to Director General Lasso. Last May 2, 146.2 million worth of shabu was seized in Zamboanga City. Totoo po ito, Director General?
Sir, 21 and 21.
You answer.
Totoo po ito, yes or no?
Can I just ask our operations officer to make sure, Your Honor?
21 kilos.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your Honor, can we just check with our office? We don't have a copy of the report, right?
Mr. Chair, nakarating po na ngayong araw na ito, no, may report na nakatakas daw yung mga presong involved mula dito sa PDEA detention cell. Totoo ba ito?
Your Honor, that's true. At 3 a.m. this morning, it is now being investigated by the regional director in coordination with the Philippine National Police.
Ano bang nangyari, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, what I got is that they were able to open the roofing of the jail facility. And we were on our way here to the meeting when I was talking to our regional director. So he just noted so much detail on the incident.
Yun po ang problema dito, Mr. Chair, no? Pag bumalik na naman po ang illegal na droga, babalik na naman ang kriminalidad, babalik na naman po ang korupsyon sa gobyerno. Habang pinag-uusapan natin dito, itong issue ng sa PDEA, meron pang malaking problema ang ating PDEA, nakatakas pa, nahuli na nakatakas pa.